Yes, in today's video, I am going to be giving us the ways we are going to use to detoxify our liver. So in today's video, I have 3 tips for you. I have 3 tips that you will use to detoxify your liver. Many people struggle with sluggish liver function and manifesting different types of symptoms. So I have 3 tips that you will use to cleanse your liver. Pay much attention. So many people come up with headaches and constipation. No, that is not what I'm going to be telling us in this video. Number 1 of these 3 tips is sun exposure. How often do you expose yourself when there is sunlight? Are you always indoor? Are you always in the office with AC? If you have not been exposing yourself often with sunlight, there is a problem. Start sunlight exposure, and while you are trying to expose yourself under the sunlight, do little jogging and body exercise. Number 2, stop sugars in your diet, especially refined sugar. So many people love refined sugar. So many people indulge in refined sugar. Please, there is another alternative. Better still, you can go for fresh fruits juice. They can give you that taste that you want than going for what's sugar. They are not good to your health. The 3rd one is going to bed on time. Do you know when you go to bed on time and give yourself that sound sleep, you detoxify your liver while you are sleeping? This video is for educational purpose. Have you subscribed for more health tips? If you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe bell. Hit that subscribe button so that you will get more health updates on this channel. Share this video to those that it will benefit. See you for more videos. Bye.